Multiple sclerosis or MS. This is a condition of the brain when you feel numbness. Most of the time you are confused, not able to think, and there are many other symptoms connected to your brain and nervous system. And this multiple sclerosis is not treatable by any medicine. So this is a case study about Joseph from New Orleans, US, where he applied the energetic mastery method over a period of 100 days to get free from his symptoms, and he was going through Kundalini awakening when he was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is a condition where everything is in haphazard way. This means that your cognitive ability to think, to make decision, everything is in numbness state. You cannot think well like a normal human being. You cannot function like a normal human being. And to tell you the background of his case, he had the Kundalini awakening, starting of the Kundalini awakening ever since he was born. And right now when he came to me, means few months ago, when he worked with me, he was 30 years of age. So with a born Kundalini awakening, it is a totally critical case when no one understands you in your growing years. When I diagnosed his energy body, I got to know that he is an ancient soul. Ancient souls means it is very interesting to know that certain souls are born in multiple births in human form. And after that they create karmas in the process. They go through different journeys in the human form. But for Joseph, he has evolved from the apes. You need to understand the kind of brain he has. His reptilian brain, whose instinctive brain was too much active, but he could not understand. His father was a great businessman, and his father had many plans for him to work in his business, and he was educated. He did his education, post graduation, everything. He was an MBA by profession. He had done everything, but he was not into it. He could not feel anything what he was doing. He could not connect to people, who could not connect to how to communicate with people naturally. He didn't know how to be social. He was neither introvert nor extrovert. He was just confused all the time. And all the symptoms, when what happens when you are having these symptoms, you go to a doctor, and the doctor diagnoses you with multiple sclerosis, and he had all the symptoms. Now, in order to connect to the world, he had actually grown his hair. Over a period of 8 years, he kept on growing his hair, and it was too long. He used to wear like this. Always he had some headgear, folding his hair on top of it, and he was a man, and still he had so much of hair around his head. So what happened? The very first day, I told him to go bald. Just go bald, and he did that. And the effect of this was that in next 2 weeks, he started healing. He started healing from his condition, from his brain damage, and thereafter, I kept on giving him different kinds of instinctive activities to do. To start with, he used to sit in the room or like this. Suppose his natural condition was to sit like this. Now, being born in a civilized society, the family, the businessman, father, he used to say, why you are sitting like this when you have a couch like this? I have purchased I have invested in the couch, but you are sitting like this. Why do you sit like this? But I have the power to diagnose from where this soul is evolving. And I came to know that he has came directly from the ape family. And now, what technique I gave him worked for him. I told him that you need to crawl. You need to do all the activities like this. Okay. And he kept on doing all these activities on his own in his room. and he was happy. He felt himself for the first time. The next activity was his father had a forest, private forest. His father had purchased. As I told that his father was a big businessman. So they had their private forest. So he used to climb trees. So now I cannot climb tree in this video, but I will show you what happened when he climbed like this on the tree, like this, jumped. All this jumping activity, climbing activity made him feel himself. His brain started working. And next activity was to do some monkey activity like this. He used to do always like this, always sitting like this, wondering like this. It was his, and others were surprised why he behaves this way. I opened him up. I told him to do all the instinctive activities of an animal. Laugh like this. Animals do not laugh like this, but to make him free, I introduced the laughter therapy, and it worked like this. Now what is happening in this? This belly is getting activated. Okay, belly breathing is getting activated. So this is very powerful technique you can apply to if you have multiple sclerosis. Laughing on the floor like this. Now these are all animal sounds. Okay, you can take out different animal sounds. Now why all these techniques are effective? Because it is doing exhalation in you. All the trauma lodged in your body is getting released when you do these techniques, and it is very powerful. You do this and see like this. One is called lion pose, like this. All your trauma lodged in your body, all your numbness will go away. Your brain will start working, and then actual tapping. Tapping, all the blood vessels open up in the brain. So next technique, first is laughter. You can laugh for hours together. Or do like a dog. Or do like a lion. Anything you do, ultimately it is activating your belly muscles, your nervous system. The jumping activity. So he used to jump. So in the room, I started telling him to use his room, use his bed. For example, jumping, like a trampoline. You jump, and he used to like. A 30-year-old man cannot do this. Who told this? Your brain is not working. You can do anything. Lift your leg like this. Move your leg like this. Make use of space. Stretch your body like this. Do all the physical movement. Try to climb. You used to climb trees. Making use of your body, full body. And slowly, like this. Trying to get up. Guy trying to get up. See what is happening. All the movement in the body are getting activated. And then making use of the slab in the room, in the kitchen. For example, you normally sit on the couch. Your brain and nervous system is not working. But your instinctive brain knows how you used to make of rocks in ancient times. So making use of this slab to climb, and this simple activity will make you feel free. Such a simple act of sitting on the slab will make you feel like a child. Will make you feel like you have arrived home. And it will activate the mammalian brain in you, the reptilian brain in you. It will also improve your cognitive function. And this has happened to Joseph. He had healed from this activity. I don't know about others who are suffering from multiple sclerosis, but he came to me with this condition, and there are many patients who come to me in critical condition, and I heal through these activities. And then You don't have to eat the civilized way. The next is, take a cucumber, eat in the most instinctive way like this. Taking a bite, enjoying it, mixing it with saliva, conscious eating. The way dogs eat their food. If the piece is big, you can make it small. Enjoy. And this simple act of not using the knife, eating directly, will make your brain active. Burp is coming. So all the other steps of conscious eating you can learn from me when you are taking consultation from me. But one by one I'm showing you the activity. I'm feeling so good here. For example, you can sit. Now you don't need to sit on the kitchen slab. If you have family, they will throw you out of the kitchen. But yes, you can definitely make use of all the spaces in your house to heal first. So going to the next activity is washing your dishes. So let me wash to show you how it helps. It activated his brain and nervous system because of the touch with the water. And he did it very well. He used to like this activity a lot. So for 30 minutes continuously he used to wash his dishes, and he started cooking his own food. So you too can cook your own food and see the difference. There are many other activities which he did. For example, camping in nature, camping at night in nature. This he used to do. But some of the activities which I can show you right now from your home, you can start using these activities. Next, let's go to the next technique, which was connected to how to take shower, how to take bath, how to take shower in the hot and cold shower. Hot and cold shower treatment is very much important if you are going through immunity related issues. If you have lesser use of your brain and nervous system naturally, you can build up your immunity with hot and cold shower. For example, the geyser is on. Now the hot water, you can take it in the bucket. You can use the bucket and mug formula to take shower. This is one thing. Next activity, hot water. Yes, this touch with the hot water. This hot water touch, it increases vasodilation in you. It activates vasodilation in you. At the same time, if you are using cold water, this was still hot, but now the cold water, it leads to vasoconstriction. This vasodilation and vasoconstriction continuously for 30 minutes, 15 minutes of hot water shower and 15 minutes of cold water shower. These two activities, when you do continuously, which Joseph did for 100 days, 2 times a day, hot and cold water shower, and that also in a continuous way, activated his blood capillaries in the brain, his vasodilation in the body increased, blood circulation in the body increased, blood vessels got opened up, and he got healed from his issues. So this is one way of using the mug to wash your body. I'm just showing you my hands. Or to use the shower completely, hot water shower completely, so that you have the feel of the waterfall. So you can stand under the water, hot water, and change it to cold shower like this. This will activate your instinctive brain. When cold shower you are also taking, and it is soothing. So suppose here you are standing and make use of the entire body. For example, like this, you can make use of your shoulder, and this water is falling on your shoulder. At the same time on your chest, like this water is falling on your chest, on your head. So full body use. Then standing under the water like this, Where? Shower. You're getting the shower completely. So what are you waiting? Just go and have your shower. Come. Now, moving on to what you can do if you're alone at home. There is no one with you to understand your case, or you are alone in the family with lots of people and nobody understands you. You have one person in the world right now to whom you can come and release all your issues. All your problems are here to be solved. I am Sanju, who is the #1 brain and nervous system specialist, and I heal you through energetic mastery method. The energetic mastery method which I showed in this video is just a tip of the iceberg. I use hundreds of methods dynamically with you to activate your brain and nervous system, and I have the power to change your DNA, to change your neuroplasticity. After Joseph worked for 100 days with me, he became a changed being. He got access to his ikigai. He got access to his life purpose. He became a traveler, and he used to travel to places to explore nature. He became a naturalist and a filmmaker who used to record nature's video, and he never did or went back to his father's business. This is the freedom he got once he discovered that my life is still in the jungle, not in the cities. He couldn't connect to normal human beings. He couldn't become social. Then why to spoil your life? First connect to, if you're coming from the direct landing has happened from the apes to the human beings, you don't need to live the life of the so-called diseased human being of this world. You can live your own life, do your own thing, laugh out loud. Who cares? You don't need to be civilized. You just can sit the way you want. Like this, you sit and feel the difference. Sit like this on the couch, very civilized, eating with spoons, eating with all civilized way. Be a part of the society and damage your brain. Or in the Kundalini awakening journey, you learn how to live your life. This life is given to you to live. This is not life given to impress other people. So stop fitting into the matrix, fitting into the society. You start living the way you want to live. And yes, the last step is to sleep on the floor. I taught him to sleep on the floor whenever he want to sleep, not even this. If you want to sleep, then make use of this space and feel the freedom. Sleep on the grass, sleep on the floor. And this moment you are free. This moment you are free. Just be like this, do nothing. Just observe your breath, move with your breath. Coming in, inhaling and exhaling from your nose. For the first time, feel life. This will ground you. This grounded Joseph. Sleep on the grass, sleep on the floor, sleep anywhere, and see the difference, the feeling of freedom it brings. All your ego is dissolved immediately. In your Kundalini awakening journey, when your ego is too much, Kundalini wants you to become nothing. And this is the technique which will make you nothing. Just come out of all hangover. Feel life. Life is here and now. See, just sleeping on the floor, in few breaths, my vagus nerve got activated. This is what happened to Joseph. His freeze mode was relaxed. His vagus nerve was activated and he came back to life. Likewise, you can come back to life. Your brain will get healed and automatically everything in your life will come to place. So, do anything. Do like this. Be the child, move your body, and hip hip hooray. Bye bye.